I'm going to show you how to make your own mayo in less than 5 minutes. Mayonnaise is just an emulsion of oil, eggs and a little acidity. That's it. Combine all the ingredients in a jar except the lime juice. Using a stick blender, whisk for a few seconds to break up the eggs. Now while the blender is on, gently stream in the oil, moving the blender up and down slowly till all of the oil is well incorporated. Remove and transfer to a bowl. Now add the lime juice and gently fold it. Let's taste a little bit. Perfect.